Hi students, good morning, and let us continue now with the next exercise, and the exercise would be of substitution. So what we are going to do today is we are going to solve certain questions which I have written on the board around 10, and we are going to solve these questions which are of course of integration and with the help of the method of substitution. Now in the previous lecture I must have told you that what do you mean by the word substitution, आप कैसे चीज़ों को substitute करोगे और आप उनकी values लेकर के आओगे. But in today's lecture we are going to take around 10 questions and let's see how easily we can solve these questions now. So the question number 1, it says sin x upon 1 plus cos x whole square. Sin x upon 1 plus cos x the whole square. Now first of all you need to understand what can you substitute so that you can get sin x as the differentiation. So what I am going to do is in question number 1 let's write integration of, that is sin x dx whole upon and then 1 plus cos x whole square. Now let 1 plus cos x equals to t. So मैंने किसी भी इस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट को मैंने t मान लिया, नॉट एक्चुअली रैंडमली. मुझे मालूम है कि जब मैं इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करूंगा, डिफरेंशिएशन बोथ द साइड्स, सो आई विल गेट 1 का डिफरेंशिएशन है 0, cos x का डिफरेंशिएशन विल बी माइनस sin x और t का हो जाएगा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x dt अपॉन dx. सो आई एम राइटिंग इट लाइक दिस, that is 0 minus sin x and then it should be equals to dt upon dx. So what I have done is I have done both the sides differentiation, that is on the LHS as well as on the RHS. So this is going to be now minus sin x cross multiplying dx should be equals to dt. Now the problem is यहाँ पर तो केवल sin x dx है, लेकिन यहाँ तो माइनस आ रहा है, सो नो प्रॉब्लम, हम माइनस अपने मन से बाहर लगा देते हैं, या फिर आप इसको ऐसे कर सकते हो माइनस dt. सो जहां जहां पे मुझे sin x dx दिखाई देगा मैं वहां पर माइनस dt पुट करूंगा. सो लेट्स पुट दिस, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी sin x dx शुड बी इक्वल्स टू माइनस dt अपॉन 1 प्लस t whole square. Okay, so minus dt upon 1 plus t whole square. Now can I bring it like this, that is 1 plus t whole to the power minus 2 dt. Correct? If you are thinking sir ये कैसे किया, 2 ऊपर जाएगा माइनस, सिंपल. So it should be equals to यहाँ पर माइनस साइन, और जब आप इसका इंटीग्रेशन करोगे सो आपके पास में आंसर आ जाएगा माइनस ब्रैकेट, ये हो जाएगा 1 प्लस टी माइनस 2 प्लस 1. विच फॉर्मूला एम आई अप्लाइंग? आई एम अप्लाइंग द फॉर्मूला ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x टू द पावर n. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x टू द पावर n शुड बी इक्वल्स टू x टू द पावर n प्लस 1 अपॉन n प्लस 1. सो माइनस 2 था तो माइनस 2 प्लस 1 अपॉन माइनस 2 प्लस 1. And of course guys plus c because it's an integration constant. So this will become minus, यहाँ पर आएगा आपके पास में 1 plus t minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 upon minus 1. Now guys since पहले से ही माइनस है तो माइनस माइनस is going to be plus, so ये आ जाएगा 1 upon 1 plus t. माइनस 1 को मैं दोबारा से नीचे लेके आ चुका हूँ, माइनस से ये वाला माइनस कैंसिल आउट कर दिया है, और इट शुड बी इक्वल्स टू that is 1 upon, what is 1 plus t? t क्या था? 1 plus cos x, तो 1 plus cos x plus c. Got it? So this should be your answer, that is 1 upon 1 plus cos x plus c. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 2. So I'm gonna do it over here. What does the question number 2 says? Question number 2 says 1 plus log x whole square whole upon x dx. Guys, if we need to proceed to the exercise number 3rd of either the state board or the CBSE board or of any board, you need to understand this lecture very, very carefully. So 1 plus log x whole square by x. Now what should I take? Even if I take let x equals to t, तो क्या हो जाएगा? dx equals to dt. उससे तो कुछ भी नहीं आने वाला. So let 1 plus log x equals to t. Differentiating both the sides, 0 plus 1 upon x. मैं डायरेक्टली कर रहा हूं, dx should be equals to dt. Why? Because dt upon dx होता है. It's a multivariable function. Now in this way, यहां पर आ चुका है 1 upon x dx equals to dt, because 0 की तो कोई टेक्निकली वैल्यू होती नहीं है. So यहां पर आ जाएगा मेरे पास में 1 upon x dx, because 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So 1 upon x dx की जगह पर I'll put dt. So the quotient will be modified now to, that is dt 1 upon x dx गया, and 1 plus log x को आपने t माना था, so this is going to be t square dt, or the answer is going to be t cube upon 3 plus c, or what is t? It should be 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c, and that's all is the answer to question number 2. So simple. So आपको केवल ये देखना है कि आप आखिर ऐसा क्या चीज पुट कर सकते हो जिससे आपके पास में कुछ रिलेवेंट फंक्शन आ जाए. नाउ सो लेट्स मूव अहेड विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हो चुका, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पर आते हैं. सो आई एम डूइंग इट ओवर हियर. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 सेज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dx अपॉन sin square x cos square x. Now guys, problem is with these kind of questions you cannot do anything, because integration में there is no quotient rule which is present in differentiation. So in this case what I have to do is, numerator में केवल dx है, dx का मतलब आगे केवल 1 है. So can I write it like this? Integration of sin square x plus cos square x dx पहले से ही था, whole upon and then sin square x dot cos square x. Let's try and rub this so that you don't get confused. So this is going to be the part, right? So मैंने केवल क्या किया, 1 की जगह पर sin square x plus cos square x किया. सर बट हमें कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा एग्जाम के अंदर कि यहाँ पर ये करना है? न्यूमरेटर में कुछ है ही नहीं, डिनोमिनेटर में there cannot be a quotient rule, so how will you solve it? Now what am I trying to do? I am trying to split this. Split means this upon this plus this upon this. So it is going to be sin square x upon sin square x cos square x dx plus, and then it is going to be again integration of cos square x upon cos square x dx upon sin square x cos square x. Sir, but why are you doing this? You will just come to know in the next step. So this should be equals to, even if I cut this, so dx upon cos square x dx upon sin square x. So this is going to be modified with dx upon cos square x plus integration of dx upon sin square x. But sir, so what? Answer तो आया ही नहीं. What is 1 upon cos square x? It should be equals to integration of sec square x dx plus integration of 1 upon sin square x is cosec square x dx. What do you think now? Integration of sec square x, direct formula, that is tan x plus cosec square x का formula होता है, means integration होता है, that is minus cot x. So let's write minus cot x plus c, and this is going to be your answer for question like this. Let's now move on to question number 4. So आगे बढ़ते हैं. So I'm rubbing that side so that just in the case if you want to note down the question you can. Okay, so let's move on to question number 4 now. So I'll use it, the space over here. Dx upon 1 plus tan x. Integration of dx upon 1 plus tan x. So can I write it like this? Integration of dx upon 1 plus, what is tan x? It should be equals to sin x upon cos x, or it should be equals to, LCM लूंगा तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा ये, this will go at the top. So integration of cos x dx upon cross multiplication or LCM, so that's going to be cos x plus sin x. Now the problem is, even if I take sin x equals to t, cos x dx dt तो हो जाएगा, बट फिर cos x की जगह पर क्या पुट करूंगा? So I'll be stuck, you know, kind of over there. So what do you think should I be doing? Now, ये मेरा फेवरेट टर्म है, let's apply दादागिरी. सर आप मैथ्स पढ़ा रहे हो कि दादागिरी? Now, why am I using this word दादागिरी? That means by wish I felt like that यहाँ पर यदि मैंने मान लो इसको मैंने t लिया होता तो मेरा डिफरेंशिएशन आता माइनस साइन एक्स प्लस कॉस एक्स. यदि मैंने डिनोमिनेटर को t लिया होता तो साइन एक्स का डिफरेंशिएशन कॉस एक्स माइनस साइन एक्स यहाँ पर आना चाहिए था, बट प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ पर तो है कॉस एक्स डी एक्स. अब क्या करूंगा? वेरी सिंपल, मुझे यहाँ पर चाहिए कॉस एक्स माइनस साइन एक्स, तो एक माइनस साइन एक्स की कमी है. सो लेट्स अप्लाई द दादागिरी वाला रूल. मैंने अपने मन से कॉस एक्स माइनस साइन एक्स लिख दिया. सर बट आप ऐसे कैसे लिख सकते हो cos x माइनस साइन एक्स? सी, यदि मैंने cos x माइनस साइन एक्स किया तो ये इसका डिफरेंशिएशन बन जाएगा, बट माइनस साइन एक्स तो ऊपर था ही नहीं, तो इसका मतलब मुझे प्लस साइन एक्स भी चाहिए पड़ेगा. नाउ कैंसिल, इट इज द सेम क्वेश्चन अपॉन cos x प्लस साइन एक्स. बट मान लो मैंने इसको अपॉन दिस स्प्लिट भी किया एंड दिस अपॉन दिस, आई एम वंस अगेन गोइंग टू गेट स्टक. सो व्हाट एम आई डूइंग नाउ? मैंने जानबूझ करके यहां पर प्लस cos x और लिख दिया. क्यों? सर cos x प्लस cos x कितना हो जाएगा? 2 cos x माइनस साइन x तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 2 cos x मैंने इसलिए लिया सो दैट मैं यहां पर 1/2 कर देता हूं. सर लेकिन ये क्या कर रहे हो, मैं खुद समझ में नहीं आ रहा. यू विल जस्ट कम टू नो. नाउ इसी के नीचे लिख देता हूं. सो कैन आई राइट इट लाइक दिस, दैट इज 1/2. मैंने यहां पर लिखा cos x माइनस साइन x अपॉन दिस टर्म दैट इज cos x प्लस साइन x, देन प्लस और 1/2 क्योंकि पूरे के बाहर था, सो 1/2 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन x प्लस cos x अपॉन cos x प्लस साइन x dx. Did you get this? सर बट ये क्या किया? ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड. मैंने cos x माइनस साइन x तो अपने मन से लेकर के आ गया, देन मैंने प्लस साइन x भी कर दिया सो दैट दिस कैन गेट कैंसल्ड एंड वी विल बी रिवर्ट बैक टू ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन. बट देन प्रॉब्लम इज व्हाट अबाउट केवल साइन x का क्या करूंगा? सो मैंने अपने मन से cos x भी ऐड कर दिया, बट cos x प्लस cos x तो 2 cos x हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर तो केवल क्वेश्चन में cos x था. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज cos x प्लस cos x इज 2 cos x. मैंने जानबूझ के 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया सो दैट 2 and 2 will get cancelled and you will ultimately get back the same question. Now over here let this term be equals to t. So let's rub this. So it should be equals to 1/2. यहां पर मैंने ले लिया let cos x plus sin x equals to t, differentiating both the sides with respect to x minus sin x plus cos x dx equals to dt. So let's put this. तो मेरे पास में ऊपर कितना आ गया, cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x dx equals to dt. So the question now gets modified to 1 upon 2 integration of dt upon t, because this is t, plus 1 upon 2 integration of, guys, this is absolutely same. So cos sin x plus cos x upon sin x plus cos x, so पूरा का पूरा term same to same है, so it will get cancelled and ultimately you will get 1. So that means it is dx, correct? Now 1 upon 2 dt, तो ये हो जाएगा 1 upon 2 log mod of t, because that is the formula of 1 upon t integration, plus 1 upon 2 integration of x is, sorry, dx is x plus c. Can I put the value of t once again? So t is cos x plus sin x. So answer is 1 by 2 log of mod of sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x, and then plus half, and then x plus c. So you can take out half common outside. So it will be log sin x plus cos x plus x plus c. Now n number of times guys book में कभी कभी आंसर इतना कंफ्यूजिंग करके देके रखते हैं that even the students get scared. Please ध्यान रखना, log m to the power n should be equals to n log m. तो आप चाहो तो इस हाफ को ऊपर भी लगा सकते हो. So this will become log under root of sin x plus cos x plus half x. But why to write it? So let's write it like this. So this is your question number 4. Moving on to, not 4. Which one was this? Question number 4 was, okay, this one was 4th. So let's now move on to question number 5, guys. So I'm rubbing this. So if you want to take a snapshot, you can. So मैंने अपना थोपड़ा screen के बाहर निकाल लिया है. Okay, now. Okay, so now moving on to question number, that is 5. So let's see what is over there in 5. So question number 5 says integration of, and that is x dx upon root of x plus 4. Right. So that is x dx upon root of x plus 4. Once again the same problem. Let x plus 4 equals to t, then dx equals to dt, और तो कुछ आएगा ही नहीं. So problem. Or else मैंने यहां पर जानबूझ करके क्या करा, अगेन दादागिरी, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x प्लस 4 माइनस 4 चलेगा सर, लेकिन प्लस 4 कहां से आया, बोला तो दादागिरी, प्लस 4 लाया, माइनस 4 भी लेकर के आ गया, एंड दिस नाउ बिकम्स स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x प्लस 4, एंड दिस इज नाउ बिकमिंग dx, और इट शुड बी इक्वल्स टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x प्लस 4 upon square root of x plus 4 dx minus 4 integration of dx upon square root of x plus 4. But then again a problem. सर अभी क्या प्रॉब्लम है? मैंने ये इसलिए किया ताकि दोनों के ये जो सो कॉल्ड बेसिस हैं ये दोनों के सेम हो जाए, एंड इसको मैंने ऐसे इसलिए कर दिया बिकॉज इसका तो फॉर्मूला मैं डायरेक्टली निकाल ही सकता हूँ. So now what am I going to do is, it's very simple, integration of, can I write x plus 4 as root x plus 4 into root x plus 4. So ऊपर मैंने इसको root को 2 बार लिख दिया तो एक root से एक root cancel, so I'll be only having root x plus 4. फिर से repeat कर रहा हूँ, x plus 4 can be written as root x plus 4 into root x plus 4, और एक root x plus 4 से एक root x plus 4 cancel. So this is dx minus 4 integration of an x plus 4 to the power minus 1 by 2 dx. Right. Of course, right. So it should be equals to, यहाँ पर आ जाएगा integration of x plus 4 whole to the power 1 by 2 dx minus 4 integration of x plus 4 to the power minus 1 by 2 dx. What do you think the answer should be? 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So x plus 4 to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So the answer is 2 by 3 x plus 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus 4, यहाँ पर आ जाएगा x plus 4 to the power minus half plus 1 is half upon minus half plus 1 is again 1 by 2. So the final, and plus c of course. So the final answer is 2 upon 3 x plus 4 to the power 3 by 2. 2 will go at the top, so it will become 2 into 4 is 8. अब आप चाहो तो इसको रूट में भी लिख सकते हो, so let's write it like this, that is x plus 4 plus c. अब इसको भी चाहो तो you can write it like this, x plus 4 cube root and by 2 है, so you can write 2 by 3 x plus 4 dot under root of x plus 4, or else you can leave the answer like this. Whichever way guys, it's your choice. So that's all for question number 5. Let's move on to now question number 6. सर आप हमेशा इतना हड़बड़ी में क्यों रहते हो, थोड़ा आराम से करा दो. Because guys, integration has got so many questions that technically if we run with this speed, it will take at least December or Jan to complete. So don't worry, I'll try and complete by the month of October or November. Not the integration, the entire maths. Okay, so let's now start with question number 6. So let's see question number 6. So question number 6 says integration of 1 upon x minus root x dx. Now this can be written as integration of 1 upon x के जगह पर I have written root x minus root x dot root x minus root x. Can I write it like this? Of course I can. Why? Because x can be written as root x into root x. So this should be equals to integration of, यहाँ पर आएगा dx upon, can I take out something common? So root x bracket root x minus 1. Got it? But sir ये क्यों किया आपने? Now let root x minus 1 equals to t. So differentiating both the sides, 1 upon 2 root x dx, और ये तो 0 हो जाएगा, should be equals to dt. सर बट 1 upon 2 root x तो यहाँ पर है ही नहीं. कोई बात नहीं, 1 upon root x तो है. So 1 upon root x dx, 1 upon root x dx तो dt हो जाएगा, बट जो 2 है इसको वहां लेके चले जाता हूँ. So it will become dx upon root x should be equals to 2 times of dt. Now it should be equals to integration of dx upon root x is 2 dt, so 2 outside, dt upon root x तो गया डिनोमिनेटर वाला, यहाँ पर root x minus 1 is t, so this will be t, or it should be equals to 2 log of mod of t plus c, or you can write it should be equals to 2 log of mod of t के जगह पर once again substituting back the original value, that is root x minus 1 mod close plus c. And that's all is the question number 6. So simple. Oh guys, believe me, that's actually not tough. Now I have taken random questions from, by the way, the NCERT book as well as the state textbook, and that is the second exercise. So not the first exercise of the state, or whichever, but I have taken mixed questions from both, so you can start solving these. Now question number 7. So what does the question number 7 tells you? It says x upon e to the power x square dx. Now guys, now that this is a way beyond question, it's a level down question guys. Anyway, so let x square equals to t. Let x square equals to t. So यहाँ आ जाएगा 2x dx equals to dt, right? Or else now it can be written as x dx, because that's what we wanted in the numerator, should be equals to dt upon 2. तो अब x dx की जगह पर आप पुट करोगे 1 by 2 dt. 1 by 2 क्यों? यहाँ पर था upon e to the power x square is e to the power t. So let's do this. So this will become 1 by 2 integration of e to the power minus t, it should be equals to 1 by 2 e to the power minus t. guys क्या करोगे? Very simple, it will become e to the power minus t का integration is e to the power minus t, and guys minus sign upon में आ जाता है, so this will be minus. So answer is minus 1 upon 2 e to the power minus t के जगह पर हो जाएगा minus x square, right, and plus c. Or you can write it as it should be equals to minus 1 upon 2 e to the power x square plus. So that's all. That's also done. Now guys, let's move on to question number 8. Okay. So I'm rubbing this off. Okay, so question number 8. So this will be integration of dx upon, नीचे है आपके पास में cos square x in bracket 1 minus tan x का whole square, right? Now what would you do? Very simple, dx upon cos square x will be sec square x, so this will be sec square x dx whole upon, यहां पर आ जाएगा 1 minus tan x whole square. सर sec square x कैसे आया? 1 upon cos square x, sec square x ही होता है. Now let 1 minus tan x equals to t, so this is going to be minus sec square x. 1 is 0, differentiating both the sides with respect to x. Sec square x dx should be equals to dt. So यहाँ पर आ जाएगा integration of sec square x is minus sign, so minus x square x, it will be minus dt upon 1 minus tan x is t, so it will be t square. Now it should be equals to integration of minus sign t to the power minus 2 dt, or it should be equals to, solve करूँगा तो ये आ जाएगा minus t to the power minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So minus minus cancel, answer is 1 upon t plus c. Now what is 1 upon t? How should I know? Guys, put the value and get the answer. So t is 1 minus tan x, so answer is 1 upon 1 minus tan x plus c, and voila, that's done. Got it? So this was your question number 8. Moving on to guys question number 9th. And don't worry, I have checked already. All these questions are right over there in the syllabi. They haven't been cut, they haven't been removed. So don't think that they're not going to come in the exam. They are going to come in the exam. So question number 9 guys, it says e to the power tan inverse x, e to the power tan inverse x, right, whole upon 1 plus x square dx, or it should be equals to integration of e to the power tan inverse x, which is equals to, so मैंने यहाँ पर जानबूझ के ले लिया, let tan inverse x equals to t, differentiating both the sides, so this will become 1 upon 1 plus x square dx equals to dt, right? Now as soon as this is done, so अब क्या करोगे? 1 upon 1 plus x square dx equals to dt, so this is going to be integration of dt upon t. No, my fault. यहाँ पर 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is dt, so 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is dt, तो यहाँ पर आएगा e to the power tan inverse x is t dt, और फाइनल आंसर that is e to the power t का इंटीग्रेशन e to the power t ही होता है plus c, और it should be equals to e to the power, what is t? Tan inverse x. So tan inverse x plus c, and that's all. I mean, that's all. It is done. So this is your question number 9th. Moving from 9th to question number 10th, and that's all for today, guys. So let us see now what is over there with question number 10. आखिर क्या है question number 10th में? e to the power 2x minus 1, e to the power 2x minus 1 upon e to the power 2x plus 1, and this is guys dx. Now what do you need to do? Now what you need to do is very simple. Can I write this question as something like this? E to the power x minus 1 upon e to the power x whole upon e to the power x plus 1 upon e to the power x dx. सर अब ये तो ज्यादा ही हो गया सर, मतलब ये तो लिमिट हो गई, ये कैसे हो गया? गाइस सी, if I'll do the cross multiplication, that is e to the power x into e to the power x, it will become e to the power 2x minus 1 upon e to the power x, right? Denominator में आ जाएगा e to the power x, e to the power x is e to the power 2x plus 1 upon e to the power x. So no problem over there also. But then sir, why have you done this? Let us take this as t. तो क्या हो जाएगा? e to the power x, e to the power minus x ऊपर आएगा तो ये हो जाएगा minus 1 upon e to the power x should be equals to what? So if I take this as t, this is automatically gonna become as dt. So let's write let e to the power x plus 1 upon e to the power x equals to t, right? So this will become e to the power x minus 1 upon e to the power x dx equals to dt, differentiating both the sides. If you are thinking ये कैसे हुआ, very simple. 1 upon e to the power x will go at the top, it will become e to the power minus x. So e to the power minus x का differentiation हो जाएगा minus e to the power minus x. So वापस से e to the power minus x को denominator में लेके आता हूँ तो ये हो जाएगा. So now this dx should be equals to dt integration of upon e to the power x plus 1 upon e to the power x should be equals to t. So it should be equals to log mod of t plus c, or it should be equals to log mod of what is t? That is e to the power x plus 1 upon e to the power x plus c. And this is done, guys. So this is done. This is done. Of course this is done. Done. Fine. Okay guys, thank you so much once again for being with me, and enjoy. And for all those who don't know me, you don't need to know me. Who am I? Anyway guys, enjoy. Bye. Take care.